Hey, I just passed another roadkill deer. I'm gonna go take a look. You come with me. Yeah, this is quite a bit better. This one don't stink. The eyes aren't messed up yet. They're starting to get a little bit cloudy, but I got places to be, so I don't really got time to mess with this one, unfortunately. Again, this one's going to be a wash. It's a little bit stiff too, but I'd trust it. It doesn't stink. But yeah, I guess this one's going to be an L too. Maybe I'll see if I can get hold of somebody else's. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer. I think I would trust that one, to be honest, but I got stuff to do, and I'm not going to be back this way for a while. And I don't know if it'd still be good or still be here by the time I got back. Might see if I can get a hold of somebody else that might want it. I really don't want to put it in my car all day to get out to my brother's house. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to leave it there. No shortage of them, unfortunately, but on the plus side, it keeps you from having to kill them. I mean, their numbers need controlled anyway, so I just rather somebody else than me. If I can pick them off the road fresh, I'd rather do that than end of life doesn't need to be ended. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's about it.